Hello, I am the professor, and today in the Mallows Institute, we will try and explain the percentage of rain which means on your weather app. Now, if you are having friends around for a party and you wish to be outside, the first thing you do is you reach for one of these. And the first thing you do is you check out the weather app. Now, understanding it can be the difference from this, or this, or even this. What does the percentage of rain mean? It means a certain percentage of the forecast area will definitely see rain. Well, they think. Possibility of precipitation. C stands for confidence. Yeah, right, we have any. And A stands for the area. So, if there's 50% chance of rain in 80% of the area, it's about 40%, or so they reckon, which equals to bugger all. But you should really learn the lingo. Isolated, 10 to 20%, you're good to go. Scattered, 30 to 40%. You should be all right, but start early, just in case. Numerous, 50 to 70%. You might get some rain, but give it a crack. Everyone likes to party, and if you're half pissed, who cares if you get wet? Widespread, 80 to 100%. It's gonna piss down. Go to the pub, meet there. Now, let's face it. Someone who works as a meteorologist sounds like a really good choice for a life partner. Well, at least they're not gonna be right all the time. Ha! Now, if you're still not sure about the weather, you can try the old tried-true method of stick your head out the window and have a guess. If not, flick a coin. I'm the professor. Like and subscribe.